What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here with yet another video for you. Today, I'm going to talk about the best affiliate programs to start here in 2019 as a beginner or even an intermediate or advanced affiliate marketer. I'm going to show you the top 2 affiliate programs that I've been using and leveraging that have gotten me amazing amounts of success. And I want to reveal these to you today. So you might be somebody that is brand new. You don't have a lot of capital. You don't have a lot of money. You want to get started, get your feet wet quickly, and start making money as fast as possible. Well, ClickFunnels is a great option. Number one, it's owned by Russell Brunson, who is an expert when it comes to marketing and even affiliate marketing specifically. And ClickFunnels is a piece of software that everybody needs to start and grow an online business. It's an actual funnel builder, and everybody needs a funnel in their online business if they're going to succeed. Long gone are the days where you create websites and send people to a website, and then they're left wondering where the heck they need to click to, purchase your product, to learn more about your service or whatever it is that you offer. The great thing about ClickFunnels is it's like an online salesperson that takes you by the hand, step by step, and click by click to the point of sell. And that is what I absolutely love about ClickFunnels. Using and leveraging the software has made me over 7 figures, actually a multiple 7-figure income it's helped me generate, and it's made me over 7 figures in commissions when it comes to affiliate marketing. So it's a software that I use every day. It's a software that any entrepreneur or business owner needs. And so it's something that is somewhat tangible that everybody needs out there within the marketplace. And so what I've done is I've not only built my business using ClickFunnels, but I've gone out there and I've offered ClickFunnels as an affiliate, and I've earned a pretty handsome side income. You can see right here, I've earned $18,474.70 by promoting ClickFunnels. So that is my number one recommendation for somebody that's brand new, that doesn't have a lot of capital to spend money on like a, affiliate marketing program. Now, you will want to have ClickFunnels, obviously, because you want to be a testimonial of whatever it is that you're promoting. But with most affiliate programs, many out there, you're spending hundreds and even thousands of dollars right out of the gate just to get started. So with ClickFunnels, the great thing about it is you can get started with a 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels, so you can actually test it out, and then you can also promote it and have a good chance of making your money back within the next 30 days. Russell Brunson also has an affiliate boot camp where he will actually walk you through exactly step by step and click by click how to promote ClickFunnels and how to get it out there to the marketplace. So you have the training that you need to promote ClickFunnels. You know that's a great software. And last but not least, it's a continuity program, which I absolutely love. So if we go over here to the affiliate page, you can earn 40% commissions, monthly recurring commissions. Anybody that's building a business online or offline knows they need passive income. This is income that you're making while you sleep. This is generational wealth is what we're talking about here. So think, for example, you're starting a month from scratch and you end up grinding and grinding and grinding. You make about 15 grand within that month. Well, the next month, because the previous month, the 15 grand that you just made isn't passive, the next month you have to start from complete zero, complete scratch, and you have to put in that work all over again. Where with a passive income program like ClickFunnels, you can do the work once and reap the rewards of that work day in and day out for months and years to come. Not only are you able to earn 40% monthly recurring commissions, but you're also able to earn a car, your dream car, paid for by ClickFunnels. So as soon as you get 100 active members, they're actually going to cover the lease of your dream car up to $500 a month. And then once you have 200 active members, you're going to be able to scale that and get $1,000 a month back towards your dream car. So ClickFunnels, number one, is great for people that are just getting started out, don't have a lot of capital, want to earn passive income. And then we have FunnelX ROI. And the cool thing about the FunnelX ROI system, unlike promoting like a single program like ClickFunnels, the FunnelX ROI system promotes multiple programs on your behalf. So you're not having to go out there and promote any of these different programs directly. So a system gives you leverage. It allows you to take one customer that might be a $50 customer and turn them into a $5,000 customer, which is pretty awesome without any extra work whatsoever. And so let me talk about the different income streams within FunnelX ROI. The first one is Easy One Up. This is a digital marketing education program, and the prices within Easy One Up, they've actually got different levels that range from anywhere between $25 all the way up to $2,000. And each of these levels will give you a different level of education when it comes to building a business, traffic generation, influence, sales and marketing, so on and so forth. So in the past 80 days of indirectly promoting this, $81,825 earned here in Easy One Up. The next income stream is known as FunnelX Advanced. You can see my pending balance here is $3,631. I've already been paid out $2,277. And this is an extra high level mastermind. It's a private Facebook group where you're going to get access to what's working today in the world of marketing, and specifically affiliate marketing. I do a lot of coaching within this group too as well. So I help David out with some of the coaching that occurs within this mastermind group. So this is like being able to subscribe to an elite level to where you get around leaders and people that are having results and creating success. You know, they say that your income is in direct proportion with the closest 5 friends that you have. And that couldn't be, you know, closer to the truth. This is something that people definitely get tons of value from, and I've earned a handsome commission from that. Then there's ROI Panel, which is a tracking tool. It's kind of like a ClickMagick, if you're familiar with ClickMagick. What it does is it tracks where your sales are coming from. A lot of marketers are going out there blindly promoting on Facebook one day and then Instagram the next day and then YouTube and then in forums and doing blog posts and all kinds of stuff. And they'll get sales, but they don't know where those sales came from. Well, a tracking tool will allow you to track where those sales are coming from. So I've been able to promote this, and I've been able to earn pretty handsome commission over 5 figures, as you can see here. Been paid out $7,555, pending balance $6,496. So just like a tracking tool, a funnel building software like ClickFunnels is a necessity. It's essential in building an online business. You can't get around it. If you're going to get around it, you're going to spend months and years trying to figure out HTML, trying to figure out how to make a capture page on a blog, and the time spent is just not worth the reward. Then you have the next income stream, which is Now Lifestyle. This is a product and sort of a service. It's an autoresponder and a weight loss program that could be relicensed and sold on your behalf. And it's pretty much a marketing system and, again, a weight loss program in one. And I've done $1,904 within this program. So obviously you need an online business. You need the marketing education that goes along with that. You need the software and the tools so you can promote. And heck, you need to be healthy. You need to be present. If you don't have any energy, you're probably not going to go out there and create content. Like if I didn't have a healthy meal today or meals, I probably wouldn't be able to shoot this video for you guys. So a lot of people overlook this, but health, wellness, eating the right foods, fueling your body is big when it comes to building a business online. The last income stream is known as Advertising Boost. And within this income stream, I've earned $2,842.40. So what Advertising Boost does is it gives business owners a chance to increase their sales conversions with products or services that they promote. So what they can actually do is incentivize people with a free vacation if they buy whatever product or service they're offering. So just by, giving business owners access to this and promoting this, I've been able to earn an extra $2,842.40 there. So if you add all these numbers up, this equates to over $100,000, over 6 figures. Of course, I didn't want to bore you with the calculations, but you can feel free to add those up on your own. So the question becomes, well, Josh, how did you actually get these results? What actions do I need to take? How can I take ClickFunnels? And then how can I actually promote FunnelX ROI and start generating some massive results like you've been able to generate? Well, what I've done is I've created a video series that outlines everything that you need to start building your business, start promoting the FunnelX ROI system, and start leveraging the ClickFunnels software to build the funnels, to build the sequences that you need to start creating an income. And what I want to do is I want to give you this for free just for trying out a 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. So let me show you on the inside exactly what it is that you're going to get access to. You're going to get access to all the video tutorials that shows you how to set up this funnel that I used to promote the FunnelX ROI system. You're going to get access to the email follow-up series that I used. You're going to get access to the same exact content that I used to promote the system. You're even going to get access to videos just like this one to use and pass off as your own so you can start generating results with the FunnelX ROI system. So let me show you an example here. So if we go to the copy my content section and we click here to access broadcast emails, you're going to be able to get access to all these emails here. And I'm adding new emails on a consistent basis. And you're going to be able to get access to the videos within these emails. And you're going to be able to take those videos and embed those videos on your own landing pages. And I show you how to do all this stuff. I show you how to set everything up. I show you the outline, the process, how the funnel flows from start to finish. You're going to get access to everything in complete detail. So the cool thing about ClickFunnels is I can actually import my ClickFunnels funnel, the same funnel that allowed me to create these massive results. You're going to be able to import that funnel directly into your ClickFunnels account, pretty much copy and paste it in your account, and then you'll get access to the follow-up email swipes as well. So the difference between these email swipes and these email swipes, these are follow-up swipes. So you'll be able to import these into what's called an autoresponder. Okay, and an autoresponder logs names and email addresses, and you can follow up with these people with these emails. And these emails are already preloaded on your behalf. So day 1, for example, they'll receive this email. Day 2, they'll receive the next email. Day 3, the next email, so on and so forth. Then what you can do is you can send out broadcast emails, which are emails that can be sent out at any point in time on your behalf. So what these emails do is they give value. They send people back to a landing page that gives value and then entices people to sign up for the FunnelX ROI system. So in the last video, I actually explained this. I showed you the 6-figure affiliate marketing funnel that you're going to get access to. So if you want to know a little bit more about that, what I'll do is I will post that here in the description below. So what I would recommend that you do is you go ahead and get access to ClickFunnels 14-day trial. That will be below this video. Go ahead, click to get access to that. And then all you need to do is email support@joshelder.com with proof of receipt, your first and last name, your best email, and I will send over all these assets to you, from the broadcast email swipes to the actual funnel to the email follow-ups and passing off all the content as your own. So go ahead and do that now, and we will see you in the next video. I hope you got value. If you did, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more videos like these, and we'll see you very, very soon. Take care.